Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Dhaba style egg masala gravy.
The Dhaba style egg masala gravy has a unique taste. We can serve it along with rice or roti. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 4 boiled eggs. Fry for 3 minutes. Keep it for later use. In the same oil, add half teaspoon cumin seeds and wait until it splutter. Add 2 chopped green chillies, 2 dried red chillies. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 grated onions. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame. Then add half cup of chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on medium flame. Now we can add the masalas. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Then mix it well. Add a splash of water and mix it. Cook on low heat for 2 minutes. Now add the tomato paste. We have taken 2 tomatoes for tomato paste and 3/4 teaspoon salt and mix it well. Saute it for 4 to 5 minutes until the oil separates. Now add 300 ml of water. Give a stir. Cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Open the lid. Add the fried eggs and give a stir. You can add more water if you need more gravy. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. Finally, add 1 tablespoon crushed kasuri methi and mix it. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes on low heat. Switch off the flame. Our tasty Dhaba style egg masala gravy is ready. Serve it along with rice or roti.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.